What if I told you that preserving and even regaining muscle after 60 doesn't come from gym memberships, fancy supplements, or high-priced protein powders? What if the true solution has been a quiet fixture on Japanese dining tables for generations, quietly empowering seniors to remain active, strong, and self-reliant into their 90s and beyond? Today, we explore the insights of Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who, even past the age of 100, was actively practicing medicine, walking unaided, and treating patients with vigor. Before he passed, Dr. Hinohara devoted his life to uncovering what really helps the human body retain resilience and strength with age. His findings might reshape your understanding of muscle decline, aging, and the power of nutrition. This is more than a lesson in science. It's a philosophy for life, centered around the belief that food can be one of the most powerful tools for longevity. If you're over 50 and you've noticed it takes more effort to rise from a chair, or you're more breathless than before when climbing stairs, or you worry about losing your independence, this message is for you. These everyday struggles are signals from your body, gentle reminders that it's time to pay attention and respond with care. Dr. Hinohara's method doesn't involve pricey fitness clubs, complex exercise regimens, or medical treatments. Instead, it centers around 5 traditional foods that support your body's inherent ability to preserve and rebuild muscle. And this isn't just about gaining strength. It's about carrying groceries without effort, getting out of bed with ease, and holding on to the independence that makes life enjoyable. Independence means more than just mobility. It means freedom, dignity, and the ability to fully participate in life. So sit back, maybe grab a pen, because by the end of this video, you'll see how food can act as your daily medicine, and you'll know exactly what to add to your shopping list. Consider this a practical guide, not just theoretical advice, real tools you can use starting today. Let's start with an often overlooked truth. After 60, the average person loses between 3 to 8% of their muscle each decade. This isn't merely about appearance. It's a serious issue impacting balance, metabolism, and bone strength. Muscle loss affects nearly every system in your body, from cardiovascular function to immune response. This condition, known as sarcopenia, leads to a higher risk of falls, fractures, reduced mobility, and even early mortality. But here's what many don't realize. Muscle deterioration isn't inevitable. In fact, it can be slowed, halted, and even reversed through intentional dietary choices. Dr. Hinohara observed thousands of aging individuals during his long life and noted something remarkable. The ones who stayed active and strong into their 80s and 90s weren't necessarily gym regulars. Instead, they followed specific eating patterns that seemed to protect and even regenerate muscle mass. These habits were often unconscious traditions, passed down through generations. Research in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging confirms this. It suggests that the quality of protein, nutrient timing, and particular natural compounds in traditional diets might be more effective for maintaining muscle in older adults than exercise alone, especially when the body is no longer as efficient in responding to physical training. Food becomes even more critical. The Japanese longevity approach. Japan is home to some of the longest living populations in the world, especially in Okinawa. Dr. Hinohara spent decades studying these communities and discovered that their habits contrast with common Western aging advice. Rather than extreme calorie cuts or intense fitness plans, these elders practiced what he termed rhythmic nutrition, eating particular foods in specific combinations and at regular times to stimulate muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and boost cellular vitality. These 5 foods are neither exotic nor expensive. They are humble staples of Japanese cuisine, but their health benefits are supported by modern science. Their effects extend beyond the muscles to overall wellness, offering support for heart health, brain function, and immune resilience. Let's begin with the first, natto, a hidden muscle hero. This may be unfamiliar to many, but natto, fermented soybeans, is a standout in Japan's nutritional toolbox. Despite its sticky texture and strong smell, its benefits are outstanding. Natto contains nattokinase, an enzyme proven to enhance blood flow by preventing clots, essential for nutrient delivery to muscles. Enhanced circulation means your body can more efficiently transport oxygen and amino acids to tissues that need repair. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences revealed nattokinase improves microcirculation in seniors, aiding muscle nourishment. Natto also offers all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which is vital for muscle synthesis in older people, as shown in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Leucine acts like a switch, turning on the body's muscle-building machinery. It's rich in vitamin K2, which helps calcium go to bones, not arteries. A study in Osteoporosis International showed higher bone density among older Japanese women who consumed natto regularly. Its probiotics improve digestion and nutrient absorption, key for aging muscle. For beginners, try a small amount with mustard or soy sauce to mask the taste. Regular consumers often report more energy and better digestion quickly. Sardines, small fish, big impact. Next is sardines, rich in omega-3s like EPA and DHA, essential for brain and muscle health. A major study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors eating omega-3 rich fish had better muscle protein synthesis. These healthy fats also reduce chronic inflammation, a known contributor to muscle degradation. They also contain vitamin D, often deficient in older adults, crucial for muscle function. Research in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism links vitamin D deficiency to weakness and falls. Sardines are also high in CoQ10, which fuels your cell's energy production. The journal Antioxidants and Redox Signaling noted CoQ10 improved strength and reduced fatigue in elders. Unlike larger fish, sardines have minimal mercury but are packed with selenium, an antioxidant that shields muscle tissue from age-related damage. Enjoy grilled, canned in olive oil or fresh. Just aim for 2 to 3 servings weekly. Sardines are portable, shelf-stable, and easy to incorporate into a busy routine. Seaweed, the ocean's mineral treasure. Though unconventional in mussel diets, seaweed varieties like wakame and nori are rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for over 300 bodily processes, including muscle control. Without adequate magnesium, muscles can't contract or relax properly. Up to half of older adults may lack magnesium, which contributes to cramping and weakness. Iodine in seaweed also supports thyroid health, essential for muscle metabolism. The European Journal of Endocrinology found even minor thyroid issues can hasten muscle loss. Seaweed contains anti-inflammatory compounds and prebiotic fibers that feed gut bacteria. These microbes produce short-chain fatty acids that combat inflammation and support muscle maintenance. Add seaweed to soups, salads, or try dried snacks. Even small amounts a few times weekly help. It's a nutrient-dense, low-calorie addition to any meal. Sesame seeds, tiny but mighty. Sesame seeds are packed with nutrients supporting muscles and joints. They contain sesamin, which aids liver health and hormone balance. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found sesame improved strength and lowered muscle damage markers. They offer impressive calcium and magnesium content in balanced ratios, crucial for bone and muscle support. Sesame also has lignans, compounds that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. A study in Free Radical Biology and Medicine showed regular sesame consumption improved muscle recovery. They're also rich in healthy fats that help produce hormones and reduce inflammation. Grind them fresh to absorb fat-soluble vitamins more efficiently. Add to salads, rice, or mix into miso. Just a tablespoon a day is beneficial. Tahini, a paste made from ground sesame, is another easy and delicious way to include it. Sweet potatoes, a surprising ally. You might not expect it, but sweet potatoes, especially the purple kind, are excellent for muscle preservation. Their complex carbs help maintain steady blood sugar, vital for muscle building and preventing breakdown, as noted by the International Society of Sports Nutrition. They're rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A precursor, important for muscle repair. The Journal of Applied Physiology found vitamin A deficiency reduced muscle mass in older adults. Purple varieties have anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect muscle cells. They also have resistant starch, feeding gut bacteria and reducing inflammation. The fiber in sweet potatoes helps regulate appetite hormones, supporting healthy body composition. They provide sustained energy without the crash. Use them steamed, roasted, or mashed. Their natural sweetness makes them an ideal substitute for refined carbs. Putting it into practice. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. You don't need a full dietary overhaul. Start by adding one of these foods to your breakfast. Maybe ground sesame over oatmeal, or a bit of sardine with eggs. Over time, build up your routine to include 2 or 3 of these foods daily. Consistency is key. Eating with mindfulness, sitting down, breathing, appreciating your meal can enhance digestion and absorption. Consider keeping a food journal to track what works best for you. Monitor how you feel over time. Many people notice more energy, better sleep, smoother digestion, and yes, greater stability and strength. These foods nourish the body and mind, creating a foundation for healthy aging. Dr. Hinohara's wisdom reminds us that aging doesn't have to mean decline. These 5 foods, natto, sardines, seaweed, sesame, and sweet potatoes, offer a sustainable path to muscular vitality. It's not about fad diets or pricey supplements. It's about embracing time-tested nutrition, now validated by science. Your body has the capacity for strength at any age. Choosing foods that work with your natural biology helps you stay independent, energetic, and capable. Small choices add up to big results. Remember, muscle means more than appearance. It means freedom. To move without strain, to live without limits. It's about quality of life, not just quantity. If this message inspired you, share your experience in the comments. Which food are you most eager to try? If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might benefit from Dr. Hinohara's wisdom. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips for healthy aging. Your most vibrant years may still be ahead. Take the first step today and nourish the strength within you.